All right, good afternoon. This is my Toyota 2023 TRD Pro 4Runner. And I want to make a video here to show you how well a 275 70R17 Falken Wildpeak A T4 tire will fit on this 4Runner here. Yeah, so it's very, very close in the front, but I haven't had to do any trimming at all. But it is a close fit. But it looks to me like I am not going to have to do any mud flap removal or trimming in the front. And so, yeah, I'm quite happy about that. And these tires are pretty big and gnarly tires here. So, yeah, they really look good on the 4Runner. And yeah, but it's a pretty tight fit. But I'll show you a little bit in the front here. You can see just barely in there. It's more than a finger width here. You know, I can fit my fingers in here. So it's probably, 3/4 of an inch or something like that on the front here. Maybe a little bit less than that. You can see the tires here. Yeah, they're 275 70R17s, like I said. And they're a load range C, which is nice. Now these tires are they're pretty big. I'd say they're right on the edge of fitting with no cutting or trimming anywhere. They're heavy. The stock Nitto Terra grapplers that come with a TRD Pro are about 41 pounds. These Falken Wildpeak AT4s are actually, in this size, are about 58 pounds. So it's quite a bit heavier. But it fits, and it's great. And I think the 4Runner looks a lot better actually with these tires. So I'm pretty happy with this, and they are grippy and they're pretty chunky. So yeah, they seem to work great. So I'm very happy. Now I'll head over the other side and show you what it looks like. Yeah, here's the tightest spot with the mud flap. You can probably barely see. Yeah, there you can see how close it is. It's very tight. Yeah, probably about 1/4 of an inch. So I may have to remove those, I don't know, but for now I'm going to leave them because I don't hear any rubbing at all. And I haven't done any serious off-roading with these tires just yet, but I will. And if I run into a problem where I have to remove the mud flaps, I'll comment on this video to let you know. But I think for now they look good, so pretty happy with this. These new AT4s are quite aggressive. Shoot this back one here. Yeah, they're quite aggressive. So far, I think they seem like they are just fantastic. So yeah, happy with this. Okay, I think I'll wrap it up there. I hope this is helpful to anybody else who's looking at upgrading their tires on their Toyota 4Runner 5th gen. Yeah, because I had spent some time looking around, searching around the internet, looking at videos to see people's experience with these 275 size tires, and there's not too much out there. And also these Falken Wildpeak AT4s are brand new, and so I thought I'd make a video here to give some information if you're looking at doing this with your 4Runner. Seems to work well. One thing to add too is I believe these TRD Pros, I believe in this front, in this area where it's close on the front here, I believe the TRD Pros are trimmed a little bit more than the other versions of the 4Runner, or at least I've heard this. And I think I see a little bit of space there where it looks to me like it's trimmed a bit to allow for a bigger tire size like this. So yeah, I'm thinking that's true. I don't know if that's a different part number within Toyota, or they actually trim it before they finish things up. I don't know, but anyway, but in any case, on a TRD Pro, these seem to fit okay, but it's very close. Okay, I hope this is helpful for others looking at doing something like this. Okay.